back to Happy Mommy Makeup. I have Hayden with me here today.
Hi.
We're gonna do a Taylor Swift Fearless look today, based on Taylor Swift's Taylor's album cover. Taylor's version cover. There you go. Hayden here is big Swiftie.
Yep.
So we're gonna try our best, and I think we're just gonna go ahead and get started.
Yeah.
We're not gonna mention the products. We're just gonna kind of create a look.
So you're a new Swiftie. Do you have a favorite album?
I am a new Swiftie. I think so far still. So I really started to get into her music when the 1989 album came out.
I remember listening to that when I was younger.
Because I did end up getting it from Mina, and so I think that one might still be my favorite, but the Midnights one, I haven't listened to any full album besides 1989. So, but a lot of the songs on Midnights I really like.
Yeah, they're good. I mean, they're all good, but
Yeah.
a little biased.
Yeah, you've definitely introduced me to a lot of new songs of hers that I'm really getting into. We were just busting out singing one of her songs from the Fearless album.
You Belong With Me. Do you have a favorite song?
No, not yet. I can't really name songs of hers, so.
Sing it and I'll know it.
See, but here's the thing. Is my brain goes blank. Like I can't even think. You gotta pull up Spotify and then I can see it and I'd be like, okay, yeah, it's this one. That's
My favorite albums are Speak Now and Reputation. I'm honestly not a huge 1989 fan.
Really?
I think it's because,
We overplayed it.
yeah,
As a kid.
because we listened to it a lot.
Yeah, we
And
did.
it was my favorite, but now that I've like opened myself up to more of her music, it's okay.
I'm going back and forth between 3 different color pop palettes right now to see which ones I want to use for this look. For all the golds and the browns that I'm wanting. Lip balm. Hayden and I still need to do a Harry Potter video for the other 2 houses. We haven't done that.
A long time ago.
It was a long time ago, but it's still. Harry Potter's always relevant. We can still do it. But it probably won't be anytime soon.
Yeah, we gotta get these Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift will be first. She takes priority.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Fearless was the first album of hers to re-record.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
So how many of hers did she re-record now? Do you
So
know?
she's done Fearless, Red, 1989, and Speak Now.
Okay.
So we're waiting on her debut, Taylor Swift, and Reputation.
Okay. So I did choose the right debut picture for the first video.
Yeah.
Good job.
We're assuming that she'll do that one last because it was her first ever album.
Is she kind of going in order? Like backwards?
No,
Not really?
no, because she did Fearless and then Speak Now is supposed to be after that, but she did Red. And then she did Speak Now and then she did 1989. So we're expecting Reputation next,
Yeah.
which I'm excited about.
And I actually put my contacts in this time so I could properly blend the foundation on my face.
Improvement.
Yeah. I didn't do too bad. Just one streak, for not being able to see properly. That song's stuck in my head now. What other Fearless songs can we get stuck in our head?
Fearless. That's a good one.
Sing it.
My mind's going blank. I know how it goes.
Okay, don't ask
There's
me.
something about the way she looks when it's just right. Oh, I need the lyrics. Yeah. And I don't know how it gets better than this. You take my hand and drag me head first. Fearless.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's the only line I know.
Love Story. That's a classic.
That is. Do you know that one?
A lot of people got proposed to during that summer.
Oh yeah.
At the Eras tour. Yeah.
Oh,
videos.
At the Eras tour.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've ever contoured like this ever. See how it goes.
That's what I do. I just don't put that much.
But yeah. Well, hopefully it blends right. I've also never added them all together and blended them all together. I see a lot of people do that.
Yeah.
So,
I see lots of TikToks.
yeah, I'm gonna try it. Why not?
I've seen ones where they cover their whole face.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So I'm going to, don't want to my nose. I'm gonna try it with my beauty blender and see. And hopefully it turns out really good.
Those are the 3 songs she does during the Fearless set. Fearless, You Belong With Me, and Love Story.
I did just recently, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, watch the Eras tour on
The film. We watched it on Voodoo.
Yeah.
It was fun. It was good. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I did. And she puts on a heck of a tour, or a show.
Yeah, I remember telling you, I saw something where she said that to train for it, she just ran on a treadmill and sang all of her songs.
That's crazy. Yeah, because she dropped it on the. I don't know how she could have kept that pace up without having to train. Like,
running around and doing all those performances while singing and keeping her voice steady the whole time.
yeah. Nuts.
Very admirable. She's a year older than you.
I know. She is.
She also doesn't have kids.
Yeah, and she takes care of herself better than I do.
She's been doing this forever.
Yeah.
Since she was 17, something like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we blended out pretty decently together. Yeah. Did I mess up? How's the chin look?
Fine.
Ooh, that's below.
Hey, you guys.
Skyland's back from her play date.
Hi.
We are doing the Fearless album makeup look.
Fearless.
That brow looks good.
I would do Taylor Swift album that I would do is 1989.
Mm-hmm.
Lover. And yeah.
You want to be part of one of those videos?
I'll be a part of both of them.
I need more sparkle.
Well, we got that sparkle. I think that's more bronzy sparkle. We got that sparkle. It's a really good sparkle. Or there was that little one up here too. That one. That sparkle. That's not as goldy. That's more nude, but it's still sparkle. Not all of these videos are going to be this quiet. Just gotta get in the habit, the routine of figuring out what to talk about. Because I never know. I think I'm going to go with that one from the inner corner.
As a Swiftie, my favorite Fearless song is, right now it's probably Hey Stephen. That's that one that was like, 'cause I can't help it if you look like an angel.
Yeah.
That I was playing yesterday.
Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Fearless is a classic too. I like that one.
Yes. I definitely need to listen to her songs more. At my work, though, all of leadership are big Swifties. I think I'm going to use some glitter. Oh, I think they're here. They are. I just saw them walk up. Sorry, it's going to get a little loud now, possibly. Skyland's boyfriend's here with brother, I think. Ooh.
Fearless is, that's when her and Joe Jonas broke up.
Oh, okay.
Yep. He has a song, Mr. Perfectly Fine.
Is he not perfectly fine?
Well, it's like, he's fine with the breakup kind of thing, I think.
So, her songs, are they about the breakup, or are they about, like, meeting and dating somebody else?
Not all of the Fearless songs. A lot of the time she just has songs about whatever.
Yeah.
They're not all about specific guys that we know of.
Yeah. Because, like, her folklore and Evermore are more of just, like, storyline, right?
Yeah. Yep. They're like characters and stuff in her head.
Yeah, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And so they're not all about a necessary, like, event that she experienced. Where is that?
When she was in her Fearless era, it was pretty funny. There's a bunch of clips of her. There's like, she's on an interview or something, and she has this Joe Jonas, like, Barbie doll kind of thing. Because that was when they had like a show or something, so we had a doll. And she was like, this one even has a phone so he can break up with the other Barbies. Because I guess like he broke up with her over the phone.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
You did tell me that.
There's a clip when she's on tour or like during a show and she throws a chair.
Because she's mad.
Yeah, and then she falls on the ground. Her SNL monologue, she has a song. It's so funny. It's basically her like making fun of her stereotypes, if that makes sense.
Her stereotypes?
Like, she always writes songs about guys and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I have bracelets too. Focus. Fearless and Eras. Right now. I didn't make them.
She got it for Christmas.
Yep. And they're probably from Amazon or something.
Yeah. Maybe.
Friendship bracelets are from You're on Your Own Kid.
What album is that?
Midnights.
Oh, so it's recent then. The friendship bracelet things, it's recent.
Yep.
I thought it was much longer than that.
I don't think so.
I know you're waiting on me. I'm almost done.
No, you're fine.
Taking my time.
I could try to do that 13 again.
You should.
Are your cat eyes sharp enough to kill a man?
Is that part of a Fearless song?
No, that's a Midnight song. Song that I cannot speak out loud.
Oh, why is that?
It has a bad word.
Oh.
Vigilante.
Ah.
S.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shh. Vigilante. Shh. In one of her debut songs, Mary's song, My.
Mm-hmm.
One of the lines is like, you'll be 87, I'll be 89, or something like that. Which is pretty cool, because Travis Kelce's 87, and then she was born in 1989.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So was that when her and Travis started dating?
No, this is from her first album.
Oh.
Yeah. I looked it up. It's like a song inspired by her neighbors or something who had been together since high school.
Aw.
Yeah.
Daddy and I have been together since right out of high school. My high school, anyway. And I have a piece of glitter stuck in my eyeball that I cannot get. So these faces. But you know what? I'm liking the cold.
She'll be 87, I'll be 89.
Okay. What else do I need? I feel like it needs lashes, but honestly, I don't want to put lashes on.
I think it's fine.
You think it's fine? I just don't have big lashes.
I do.
I wish I did. I sometimes put lash stuff on. Lash grower thing.
Yeah, you have that one mascara that's supposed to grow it out, right? The one you keep in your purse?
That one's just a tubing mascara. Which...
Oh, I've seen that, where the people will like have it on and then they like use their finger and just peel it off.
Uh-huh.
Ugh, that freaks me out. I feel like it would rip my lashes off.
It doesn't. It actually works really well. Just use some water to take it off and that's it. I think that's good enough for that. And that lipstick. Yes. Ooh, that's a creamy lipstick. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. You think? Yeah. 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 Our little take. Like it. Alright. These are the final looks. I think that's it.
I think we did pretty good.
Yeah. I'm pretty happy. I think it's pretty. I don't think I've ever done a gold look like this. And I think it's really pretty.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I never really do like full makeup looks.
You don't.
I don't.
So this is, it's
fun.
yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
Not an everyday thing, but just to sometimes get out there and glam it up.
In the comments, you gotta rate my 13 and 87.
I think the 87 looks really good. 13.
13 is a little wonky.
Hey, but you did pretty good for doing it backwards.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, I bet. All right. Well, thank you for joining us on this Eras tour, on this Eras video of Fearless. And I think that's it. We'll see you in our next one. Until then, bye.
Bye.